Alright y'all, it's Privateer. Had a couple branches come down. The video, come on now, focus. There we go. The video I had up last night, don't know what happened. It came up for a minute and then it went back down. Anyway, there's a bunch of branches fell in the front and other trees and bits and pieces that needed to come down. So I used them, as you can see, to build up around that, basically making the same log cabin potato tower kind of thing, but this will just be a much longer bed. Now on this other side, even in here, if you look right here, it's a wooden peg. I pegged it together. I used a drill and the twigs, shaved the twigs down and pegged it together around. There's two of them right there's two pegs right there that I didn't get a chance to use yet, but I will use them. I pegged all this stuff together. And then mixed in soil. Now this one, that one's going to be just straight up whatever comes from the house and over there. This, because they're doing so well and the fact that there are so many of them, that's a hella opportunity for a lot of food, and I don't want to waste that. So I'm adding in a what was it called, shore green or something like that, or I'll read the bag off in a minute. But I took the 555 cow manure compost mix and some topsoil mix, mixed it together on a, next time I do it, I'll show the process of how I do it. I put it on a tarp, thin it out, spread a layer, then pick up one corner, and so forth and so on. But anyway, and this here, this was just where I dug out the original bit, and it seems to be collecting water, so I kind of pulled some, I'm like, you know what, for the time being, yeah. And I'll drip some citronella oil and some lavender oil around it to keep the bugs out. And the beauty is it's oil, so it'll float on the surface. They won't come around to lay eggs. Yeehaw! But, yeah, anyway. Yeah, I'll be adding to it. Probably not as high as that because, I mean, it's big. And that'd take a lot of long logs. But, yeah, I just kind of extended it. And then, bushcraft gardening, whatever you want to call it, man. Anyway, this is Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.